Understanding the phrase, brain dead. Hello, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to tackle a phrase that can be quite confusing for English learners, brain dead. It's a phrase that you might hear in different contexts, from medical to casual conversations. So, buckle up as we dive into the meaning behind this interesting phrase and how to use it correctly in your everyday English. The term, brain dead, refers to a clinical diagnosis, which means that a person has permanently lost all brain functions and is no longer alive. This diagnosis is serious and is used by doctors when a person's brain has no activity on an EEG, which is a test that measures electrical activity in the brain. In a non-medical context, brain dead can be used figuratively to describe something that is not functioning or to exaggerate how a person is feeling. For example, someone might say they are brain dead after a long, exhausting day at work, meaning they feel unable to think clearly or focus due to extreme tiredness. It's important to use this phrase carefully because it can be considered insensitive or offensive due to its serious medical origin. Let's see how brain dead is used in everyday language through some examples. At work, after that meeting, my brain feels dead. In humor or sarcasm, this TV show is for the brain dead. It requires no thinking. In criticism, the government's plan for the economy seems like it was made by someone brain dead. It's essential to remember that the phrase, brain dead, is potent and can be offensive if used inappropriately. When using it in a figurative sense, be sure that the context is casual and the company is understanding of such humor or hyperbole. It's best to avoid using it in formal situations or with people who may misinterpret the tone or intent behind the words. I hope this video has cleared up any confusion about the phrase, brain dead, and provided you with the knowledge to use it correctly in English. Always remember that words are powerful and should be used with care. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to bringing you more useful English language tips. Happy learning, and see you next time!